Hello everyone, today I'm going to give you a full review of the AOVO X1 electric scooter. This scooter is available in 3 attractive colors. In the packaging box, you will find the X1 scooter, 2 pairs of keys, a charger, a toolkit, and the instruction manuals for easy use. The battery has a voltage of 48V and a capacity of 13.6 Ah, with a charging time of 6 to 8 hours. It is made of high-quality materials, consisting of 90% aluminum alloy and 10% iron. To improve comfort even further, you can add an optional seat, making it a versatile electric scooter for all needs. The AOVO X1 is a very good all-terrain electric scooter. It is robust, powerful, and comfortable. It is ideal for people who are looking for an electric scooter to commute in the city or in the countryside. It is also ideal for people who want to do sports. The X1 is also equipped with LED front and rear lights for better visibility. The bright display shows all important information such as speed, driving modes, battery level, and distance traveled for a more convenient and enjoyable driving experience. The 11-inch wheels are equipped with robust tires that absorb shocks well, making it an ideal option for rough terrain, as well as very effective front and rear disc brakes for added safety. With a battery range of 40 kilometers, it will take you far, and its default speed of 25 km/h can be increased to 40 km/h for a faster driving experience. The nominal power of 500 W allows it to easily climb slopes up to 30 degrees. The X1 electric scooter weighs 25 kilograms and can carry a weight of up to 120 kilograms, making it suitable for a variety of users. The frame is 100 millimeters high, making it a practical option for everyday commuting. This model is all-terrain and is rated IPX4, which means it is water-resistant and can withstand light weather conditions. In terms of dimensions, it is quite compact when folded, with 1,180 millimeters in length, 580 millimeters in width, and 480 millimeters in height, and once unfolded, it reaches a height of 1,180 millimeters. Now, let's talk about the price. The AOVO X1 scooter is offered at around $499, which makes it an excellent value for money considering its many high-end features. So, if you are looking for a reliable, high-performance, and versatile electric scooter, the AOVO X1 is certainly an excellent choice. Don't hesitate to leave your questions and comments below, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel to not miss any of my future videos. Have a nice day, everyone.